In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a frosted navbar in Webflow in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic effect that adds a sleek, professional touch to your website, and I'm excited to guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Webflow and log into your account. If you're new to Webflow, it's a comprehensive visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites without needing to dive deep into coding. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Now, you'll want to click on the dashboard to view all your current projects. Choose one of your projects to work with, or you can even start a new one if you're building from scratch. Once you've selected your project, you'll want to locate the Add Elements section in your interface. Clicking on Add Elements will display a number of options you can incorporate into your website design. What we're focusing on at the moment, of course, is the navbar. Go ahead and select it. This action will add a basic navigation bar to your project, which is the foundation upon which we'll build our frosted effect. With your navbar in place, it's time to move over to the Style section. Here, you can customize the appearance of the navbar to better fit your design scheme. Think about your color palette and the overall look and feel you're aiming to achieve with your website. Use this section to make any size or spacing adjustments you might need. Next, navigate to the Effects section, where the magic really happens. This is where you'll apply the frosted effect. You'll want to adjust the background blur effect to create that signature blurred glass look. Play around with the blur value to get it to your liking. A good tip here is to aim for a balance. You want that blurred look, but still retain enough of the background's essence to maintain a cohesive design. Remember, the beauty of Webflow lies in its flexibility. You can easily adjust and customize features to match your design aesthetic and website goals. Don't hesitate to experiment with different settings until you achieve the desired outcome. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly add a frosted navbar to your Webflow project, elevating the professionalism and sleekness of your site. This frosted effect can really help your website stand out and give it a modern, polished look. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel empowered to experiment and create even more dynamic web elements in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!